Nothing but slanging and banging, you know what I'm saying? Slanging wire and banging shit up.
So we've only did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Those are the only things that we've ran. We could actually mount this camera. We can mount at the end of the day, pull 2 drops here, 2 drops here. We can mount this WAP. I'm just gonna mount it to the beam. We basically want to wire from that wall over to here today. Another WAP, another fisheye, another camera in the corner. This one's already wired, but we're gonna rewire it, take it off the yellow. Access control on that door, and then we're gonna pull a bunch extra coiled up to this wall, super long. They're gonna go out to the gate for the intercom.
We want to separate the network from alarm and access. All right, that should be all of them.
I am just going to put the oversea hub in here since I'm not using Arachnus equipment here. The system is able to be monitored. If something goes wrong, I can tell what's what. $1,000, guys. It has all the little nooks and crannies that you need. Gigabit Ethernet port, HDMI, 2 USB bezels. Use it for troubleshooting. It can help you reboot certain devices. You don't have to drive down like, oh, something is wrong with the system. Now I'm screwing stuff. That's what I'm doing when I'm drilling stuff. When I'm attaching the posts, that's cap, that's cap. Okay, so I'll go over here instead. We'll go right here. Boom. That's under it, you feel me? No obstruction. Bow.
No, I guess 3536 is actually on this side of the man door. I'm dumb. And then our 15, 16 are the one that you can stop here because it's going to be a LPR somewhere up there.
He still took his order and then said, oh wait, you know what, we're closed. And he got no food and now he's walking all the way back.
It's right there. It's just a couple blocks. It was right there. It was like umami rice bowls. It's like, oh, that looks delicious. It's right there. Yeah, it's up there. You want to grab it? I know. I'm like halfway up the damn tube. There's no way you won't be able to get it.
Give me an update on the day, Billy. You gotta say it like nice and loud. All right, bye.
We landed a few of these,
Looks at me.
I don't like it.
We landed these switches today because we already landed all the plugs the other 2 days that we were here. Some of the conduits for the data drops. Lay down. Probably go sand my car or something. I just start going off.
Nothing but slanging and banging, you know what I'm saying? Slanging wire and banging shit up. That was the shot, you know what I'm saying? Get that fist pump.